Thank you for tuning in and joining me for this one, folks. I hope you're all doing well. We're returning to the southern mid-latitudes of Mars to an area called Aonia Terra, and specifically a new site I discovered just west of Bianchini. The photograph is called High Latitude Sample in Aonia Terra, acquired on the 26th of July 2009 at a high res of 24.6 centimeters per pixel. And as always, I'm showing images cropped from a JP2 black and white map projected file, just over 540 megabytes in size. There's a look at the low res black and white and the topography. Weird dust devil activity in this region of Mars. Looks like it's a very windy region indeed. The site we're looking at is located right there, folks, at 64 degrees 4 minutes south, 98 degrees 21 minutes west. We'll check out some of the other anomalies at these sites up towards the north. So the first one we're looking at is right there, guys and girls. It looks like it's something that's been dented in. It looks almost like an entranceway. That piece there is about 12 meters long, and check that out. It looks very metallic. It's got like this dent to it, 90-degree angle there, and a strange part over here to the top left. Check out the right angles to that, and then the strange dark L-shaped part over there, and it's parallel with the sides as well. And then we're checking out that part. It's also about 12 meters in length, and it's got a very strange shadow. I speculate this might be an opening, folks. Check this out. The shadow doesn't seem to match up to the part over here to the left. Also got a right angle there, and it looks like some type of metal. Yeah, we're looking at similar items I discovered in the past. We'll check out this one over here to the bottom right, also in the same region of Aonia Terra. It reminds me a lot of this one over here to the left. Also has the same type of material by the looks of it, also partially dented in, and in this case we have a disc with a dome on it, and it looks as if it's partially parked in what might be an opening over there, guys. And then this one over here to the top right, I speculate might be one of these that is in a more pristine condition, and we've got a long narrow part in this case sticking out of that opening. So we're looking at possible hangar entranceways or underground entranceways here, folks. Let's have a chat in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think of these. Then we're looking at that long narrow part there. It's about 14 meters in length, and it's also got what looks like a narrow opening in it. This object we're looking at there is about 10 by 10 meters in size, and it seems to have a part on it that is bent over. Check that out, guys. Very similar to another object I discovered in the past in a Newcomb. It has this strange part that seems to be bent over the top. Could these be metallic in nature? Check out the bright rectangular part underneath that. Another long narrow part there, folks. This looks like a type of a monolith. It's about 12 meters in length. Check out the perfect right angle there. Uniform width on this one side. As I say, this looks like a slab, maybe even a monolithic type of block. And we're looking at two more blocks over there, folks. These are about 10 meters across. And we've seen this stacked or layered arrangement quite often on Mars as well. Check out the uniform thickness to both of those. Was a very strange part over here to the left, and the shadow it casts is very irregular as well. Looks like some type of bridging part underneath it. These we've seen often as well. This part here is about 15 meters long, and then the customary protrusion or smaller object on the top. Very smooth, flat surface as well. These remind me of those blocks in South America with the protrusions or knobs on them. We're looking at a similar part there. This one's about 10 meters across. It's got a rectangular carved out area in it and a strange L-shaped part inside it. Then we're looking at weird U-shaped anomalies over here, folks. This looks like some type of structure. It's about 10 by 10 meters in size. Right angles to it there. And then a disc lying in the opening of that U shape, and that we see over here as well. This object is about the same size. It also has the U shape to it, and that we've seen at another site also in this region of Aonia Terra. Another U shape, and in this case that looks like a small sphere lying in the opening over there. And then this multiple layered part there, it's about 15 meters long, consisting of, looks like 3 levels. One of that there could be an opening. Look at the parallel sides, also uniform in height. And it appears to have a partial disc-shaped object over there to the top. And then we're looking at these strange items. The rectangular part is about 10 meters long and about 8 meters wide. Check out the straight edges and right angles again, folks. And then this strange part, it looks almost metallic in nature, very bright. It's got this bend to it. And then this strange part at the back seems to be bent over onto it as well. Right, let's check that site out. Located in Aonia Terra, and there's the photograph we analyzed. High Latitude Sample in Aonia Terra, and there's a brief overview of those anomalies. There's another one I didn't feature in this video. It's a strange disc-shaped anomaly with a smaller part there in its center. So let's have a look at these sites over here to the north. This is about 100 kilometers up to the north. Another rectangular block, a disc-shaped anomaly in its center. Another disc, folks, that's about 10 meters in diameter. Another one of those parts that seems to have this piece bent over onto it. Another partial disc sticking out there. This is about 10 meters in diameter. Another disc-shaped object. Looks like an opening in that part with this triangular piece sticking partially into that opening. Are we looking at ventilation systems, openings to underground hangars or outposts, possibly bunkers? One of these discs. And this arrangement we've seen all over Mars, where we have a rectangular object, a small protrusion or part right in the center on top. And this alignment of three small objects in rows, equal distance between each, we've seen quite often as well. Check out the hole on that block or structured item. So let's go over here to the west and have a look at a couple more anomalies. Another disc, that one's got a hole in it, and that there looks like a hatch that covers that hole. Another perfect hole in this triangular part with the uniform thickness to it as well. I think one more site. Weird artistic pieces, yeah, in my opinion. So just coming back to these again, guys and girls, check out the similarities going on here. That's it for this one, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Let's have a chat in the comments below. As always, thank you for your support and viewership, and also for your subscription to this small community here on YouTube. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, take care. Cheers for now.